You feel me?
You wanna know how I know for a fact that it's his daughter? How? Because when my baby was a little baby, she had whooping cough. When I talked to the doctor said that down the line, whooping coughs can cause some form of asthma. He walks around with his asthma pump in his pocket. Even he has sex, he pulls out the asthma pump and hit the asthma pump. That's how I know for a fact that's his daughter. For a fact.
That ain't got nothing to do with
I did what I did out of revenge. Was
so listen,
right,
because you think, hold on, Miss Commons, you think that because your daughter had the whooping cough,